naalala. Hindi ko lang naalala yun. Saan na si Jerry? Si Adventure, ano ba yun? Discoverer. Oh, thank God, binigyan ako ni ate ng isang libreng bellow sunblock. Hindi akong ginagamit, sunblock lang. Okay ra madam. Tambal. Tambali ko bikaron. Charot. Manood ka lang ng live ko. Gamot na yun. Okay, di ba? Agad daw ganahag chubby diha. Isa nga ang kamay. Raise your hand if you like a chubby. Raise your hand and comment and subscribe. Please show na no. Oh, it's not. It's just charot. Mag-eyebrow tayo. For ba ni magic mirror to? This is what we call the magic mirror. Ano na ako? Yung tamad na akong mag-vlog kasi kunti lang yung views ko. Baka mag-live ko. Mag-live sa highlights ko na lang yung live ko. Dagdagan natin yung kilay natin guys para ma-emphasize yung kilay natin para pero not too much. It's just sakto lang ganun parang ganyan. Oh, parang nasubrahan siya. Too much signal kasi parang may dagom. Ma'am, anong problema? Anong problema? Probensya. Ano, Zamboanga del Norte po, Kabisayaan. Kabisayaan po kami. Malapit sa may Dakak. Hello everybody. Live lang tayo 1 hour guys ha. Only 1 hour lang. Kasi busy tayo. Lalagay tayo ng kunting papula-pula. Really, you're looking so hot and beautiful. Oh, is that... Thank you for that nice message. If that's true, I'm really be glad and happy. Please subscribe guys. Tingnan nyo, pinapula ko yung kasmate ko para hindi naman masyado dry tignan na white. Oh. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Dustin. I like your suit, Naomi. Oh, thank you so much. If you guys please watch my upload videos. I have so many upload videos there, and don't skip my ads guys, because that makes me more happy because I gain revenue. If you are my solid viewers, then you don't skip my ads. Okay, is that clear? And please subscribe. We have so many viewers. We have Winely Let's Parker, thank you for nice message. Madam, kita na lang duha. Kita na lang duha mag-uyab, chubby man akong ipangita. Oh my God, I'm far from you. I am, ano ba yan? Kasi ngayon, pwede naman kung magkaintindihan, ano, di ba? Walang problema. Kaso, iniwan nga ako ng love of my life. Siguro, ano, hindi siya contented of me because daw of my character. I don't know if, ano ang character ko. Yan, naka-lipstick tayo guys. Yan, okay na ba? Kita na ba ako? Do you like to wear costumes of Halloween? I don't like because that not fits me. Charlotte, this is only what I wear. My tummy is, I will wear the this is also good, but the white cannot be good for me because I don't know, it makes me more chubbiness. You guys, that's what I have so many costumes here, costumes of